Good morning, afternoon.
Tell us everything about you.
Oh, it started. Uh, just please, we have a video before. Can you just? Okay, while we're waiting.
Are you from Milan, right?
Yes, we have an architectural firm. All started.
Now the movie is starting, and now you tell us everything about your works and everything.
Okay, thank you. We are GDG. I'm Lucio Aprea. We are based in Milan. We are an architecture firm specialized in interior architecture and products in a high-end luxury market. And you see, just the payoff before, beauty is everywhere, but not everything is beautiful. And actually, you can find beauty in the texture of wood, in an iron extrusion, in a slab of marble becoming glistening with water, or in the softened touch of a leather. From the spoon to the city, the interaction between different scales of beauty will change our perception of what we see and what we live. And the call for an architect is to take care of this relation with this global view. That's also the synthesis of the iconic beauty personal design. Iconic beauty stands for the beauty in itself, the reference, the relationship between elements, proportions, symmetry, inspiration. And then iconic beauty is what we find to see as an inspiration, what with a critical vision, we transform in personal design, that is the process to change this beauty, manipulating in our days to match the needs of the project. In our approach to architecture, every building is an opportunity to create an emotional relationship between the space and whoever lives there, sparking a positive change in that person's life. In private homes and in buildings, from a small place in the city to a large home right on the ocean, we design buildings in which personality, material, and environmental context tell us a genuine story. In workspaces architecture, our focus is on hospitality, emotion, and functionality. Whether it's encouraging purchase or making work better, every simple goals require complex expertise. And the relation between what is built and the public empty space is again a matter of beauty, proportion, connection between interior and exterior, where the nature outside become part of the inner experience, and what is inside as an extension across the windows. We design also temporary space that can transmit all the value of what you offer and support strategic positioning, an exhibition, and event. When we approach to interior, we focus our attention on which is the best solution in terms of result for the client. Each client is completely different and has a specific idea of an interior. To guarantee the result, he looks for we spend part of the concept of phase listening and understanding also on the shades he has in his mind. And if the interior is oriented not at a specific client, but to a business developer, for example, our focus is on the identity of the message the client is selling, so to have a unique answer to specific request. Then, when the process has started, we push our research on material, past styles, and what doesn't exist yet beyond its limits. From furniture surface to color and ergonomics, every detail comes from a design vision that focuses on personality. Both natural and artificial lights is the star of a home, a bridge to the outside of the soul of an intimate hidden space. And that's some example of a project we did. For this, for example, just speaking about the value of a home, on the wall we put some special piece of art in marble designed from Zaha Hadid, and each piece of art will become an added value for the home during the process of the life of the home in itself. In shaping products, both iconic experimental industries, we designed the core accessories that help define a personal language. We designed a full collection for private individuals, as well as interior labor, curating every detail with maniacal care. We handled the artistic and creative direction of products, collection, and companies. We designed showrooms and company offices with the aim of supporting identities, as well as serving as a platform for convey distinct value. Physical space, digital experience, editorial tours, from naming of the collection to communication of the process, we develop identity system and strategy in support of collection that we design. And from the catalog online and offline advertising, from the concept store to the appointment at the major international fair, like as Milano Fair is in this case, with GDG, every communication tools becomes a vehicle for their collection. This is just a quick presentation. We have the stand in G13, so please, if you want more specific information, we can show some project that for NDA we cannot show here. Thank you.
Thank you, Lucio Aprea, the founder of GDG Design. Grazie.
Thank you, Andrea.